Hey y'all. Good morning. Good Saturday morning. I just wanted to come and say thank you. Thank you. Thank you for all of your messages, all of your calls, man, you guys, man, I could feel the love for real, for real. So I want to specifically say thank you to some people that ordered, and I just realized I don't have my paper, my orders in here. I'll be right back. Okay, how y'all doing this morning? Yes. Hey, who's on the line? Okay, so I wanted to say thank you to Terry. You got the shower steamers. You got a lot of shower steamers. The eucalyptus, you got 4 packs. I want to say thank you to Rashida for ordering the Oops Bombs. You ordered 5 packs. I don't even know if I have that many. So if I don't, I'm just gonna send you regular ones. So because we're just gonna clear everything out. All right. So the Leonards, thank you. Wait, that's Rashida. Rashida sent some to her people. Wow. Thank you. How sweet of you. Okay, sent them some bath bombs. Whitney, thank you. Thank you, Whitney out in Houston. She's getting her some peppermint lip butter, some loofah soap scrub, and some shower steamers. Thank you, Whitney. I got you, okay? I'm getting these orders out today, all right? Rose, thank you. Rose got her some lemongrass body butter, some foot scrub. Baby, that foot scrub is serious. Okay, foot scrub, the coconut lip butter. She got mango lip butter and the lavender shower steamers. Yes, I do have those. Okay. All right. Because I make everything. And, so I'm running out all my supplies. And whatever I'm short on, I have still some supplies left. So I'm going to make up, whatever I don't have. Okay. Andrea, thank you for your order. You ordered lip butter. Whoa, she ordered peppermint, coconut, mango, lavender, and French vanilla. Thank you. Andrea's going to have some soft lips. Okay, K.A. Kimberly. Man, Kimberly, thank you. Thank you for all your conversations and our talks. Man, love you, girl. Yes, your coconut sugar scrub is on the way. She loved that sugar scrub. She got the 16 ounce. That's the 3rd one she got this month. So she loves her sugar scrub. Okay, Elizabeth. Yes, I got you on the Oops Bath Bombs, the Shea Body Butter. Ooh, she got the 16 ounce of the lemongrass Shea Body Butter. Let me show you how. Hold on. Here we go. So she got the 16 ounce of the lemongrass Shea Body Butter. There's a little more than 16 ounces in here, but that's all right. Okay, let's see. Who else? She got the shower steamers, the citrus shower steamers. Gina, my friend from Artist, she got a full 64 ounce of body butter. Yes. Okay, Gina. Okay, I see you. Yes. She's going to be selling that in her shop. Yay. Okay, Diane, thank you. Diane got a 16 ounce of the coconut body butter. Okay. Yeah, that's in the, it's right. I got it in the bucket, so I gotta, in the other bucket, so I gotta package that up. Okay, and then we got my friend, the dancer, Selassie Martin. Yes, she got her some peppermint bath bombs. She says she loves them for, I just gotta make sure. Okay, yeah, I have those. Yeah. She loves them for soaking because she's a dancer, so she loves the peppermint bath bombs, and I do too. So they are here. So I got her bath bombs. All right, y'all. Well, thank you again. Thank you for all of your kind messages. Thank you for all your love. Man, it means the world to me. You guys really gave me strength because I was feeling pretty. So thank you for all of your conversations and your comments and your love and your prayers. And I appreciate love you all. And I'm gonna get these orders out, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.